Good day, member. In this tutorial video, I want to show us how you can use your referral link to invite member of family, friends, and make good 4-digit to 5-digit income every month. So the first thing is you log into your account as usual. Then you come to your profile. Then under the profile, you see referral link. Then if you look at my own, I've already invited 10 people on my link. These 10 people is approximately 200 rand commission that I'll get from them if they subscribe to the usage. Then you now click copy. Then you send them your copy, your referral link. Anytime they sign up and they started using the services, DigiEdu will pay you 20% of your first referral, and we still pay you up to 5th generation of your referral. It's an amazing way to make good income. Thank you.